Imagine improving yourself by just 1% every day. You might think, 1%? That's nothing. But now, just imagine after 1 year, after 365 days, you're not just a little better. You're 37 times better. Yes, 37 times. Can you picture how such a small daily change could completely transform your life? Want to know the secret to making that tiny improvement every day and seeing extraordinary results by next year? Today, we're going to talk about a simple, yet incredibly powerful principle that can change your life from the ground up: the 1% rule. You might think that improving by just 1% a day isn't much. But when these small changes accumulate, the results are astonishing. In this video, I'll show you step by step how small daily improvements can make you 37 times better in just 1 year. So stick with me until the end, because I'm going to teach you exactly how to apply this rule in your life starting today, even if you feel too busy or low on energy. Tony was always the kind of person who thought changing your life was hard. Every morning when he woke up, he'd glance in the mirror and see the same person he was yesterday, tired, slightly disappointed, and feeling like nothing was moving forward. Work was no different. Projects were piling up, and even when he tried, he felt he was making no real progress. One evening, while walking through the park, lost in thoughts about his future, he noticed an old man sitting quietly on a bench. The old man smiled gently, as if he had seen the entire world, and looked at Tony with a calm, knowing gaze. Tony felt like this meeting wasn't a coincidence. He gathered the courage to ask, "Can you tell me what I should do to make my life better?" The old man paused for a moment, then spoke softly. "Changing your life is simpler than you think, but the most important thing is consistency. Just improve yourself by 1% every day. Just 1%. Trust me, after a year, even you'll be am." At first, Tony laughed. 1%? How much could that really matter? But the calm and wise look in the old man's eyes made him reconsider. He decided to give it a try. On the first day, he read just 1 page of a book. When he finished that page, a small sense of satisfaction arose inside him, a feeling that said, "This is the beginning." On the second day, he exercised for just 5 minutes. Short as it was, when his heart rate rose and his body warmed up, he felt a fresh energy flowing through him. On the third day, he stood in front of the mirror and said a positive phrase to himself, a phrase that a few days ago would have seemed silly, but now it boosted his confidence. Days passed, and these small changes continued. One day, while sitting on his couch, his eyes landed on an old email he had sent himself as a reminder of his goals. He thought, "Wow, I've changed so much. I wouldn't have believed it before." But the story didn't end there. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Each day, just 1% of effort and improvement gradually became a habit. A year later, when he looked in the mirror again, he could hardly recognize himself. His confidence had grown. His energy and motivation were higher than ever, and even his work and personal life had improved remarkably. That tiny daily 1% had accumulated and made his life 37 times better. Tony realized that the secret to success wasn't in grand, extraordinary actions, but in small, consistent improvements. Every small step, every positive choice, when repeated daily, adds up like money in a bank, eventually becoming a huge wealth of progress. From that day forward, whenever someone asked him how he transformed his life, he said just one thing: just improve yourself by 1% every day. So here's the key. Success doesn't come from massive, extraordinary changes. It comes from small, consistent steps. Just like Tony, who improved only 1% each day. After a year, his life became 37 times better. You can do the same, no matter where you are right now. The important thing is to start and take one small step toward improvement every single day. Those 1% improvements, when compounded, create a power that will even amaze you. If you're ready to start your journey of real growth and transformation, subscribe to our channel and join us. Together, let's get 1% better every day.